April 28th, 2013. We left out of Fort Lauderdale on a 6-day cruise on the Carnival Freedom. Our ports were Key West, Grand Cayman, and Ocho Rios, Jamaica. This was our third cruise, and back then I didn't have the gear to record and edit videos very well. Here, I made a video of our Aft-Cabin 8454. I thought it would be helpful for anyone who wanted to see what the room looked like before they booked their cruise. I set the original video to a piece of music that ultimately earned me a copyright strike, so I thought I'd try again and repost it 11 years later. For longer videos, check out my channel, like and subscribe, and happy cruising!